Everybody, I'm Paul Gross. Let's start with the jet stream. This is a big player in this week's forecast. This is that band of strongest wind aloft. Notice we've carved out a nice big trough here in the east, and that keeps us in the cooler air. But keep in mind, this is also the storm track, which I'll show you why that's important in a minute. But a storm here in Iowa is actually going to move to our south along this jet and actually reinforce this thing. So we're going to keep this around until probably Wednesday. But then look what happens. We shift everything eastward, and we're going to warm up nicely by the end of the week. In fact, by Friday, we should be approaching 50 degrees. So let's start with a broad view, and then I'll narrow this down into a smaller scale view of the computer model. So we have high pressure over us now. Here's that storm, again in Iowa. That's going to slide down to our south, so no worries from that. But we have the first of two upper level disturbances, little basically kind of like mini storm systems, but aloft. They're not really reflected here at the surface. We're fine for the Monday morning rush hour, but watch, as this approaches during the afternoon, snow squalls break out. So some of us just get a snow shower. Some of us get a heavier squall tomorrow afternoon in time for rush hour. So we'll have to keep an eye on those. But once this thing moves through, things quickly wind down for tomorrow night. What happens from this? Maybe a ½ inch to an inch of snow in the heaviest areas. Then we have the second one that comes down on Tuesday, again starting out dry. Then we get some snow showers during the day, and I don't think quite as numerous as what we're going to see on Monday, but still we'll get some, and then that thing will move out. And here's a closer view now, because I want to help time you out with the snow. So again, today we're no problems. We have plenty of sunshine, a few clouds in the afternoon, but as we get into late tonight, the clouds increase, maybe a little partial sun to start Monday. Here comes that upper level disturbance. Now maybe a little light snow midday, but that's, I don't think, going to be a problem. This stuff will be a little more problematic. So this, you can see how it's kind of splotchy and darker looking. Well, some of these, again, could be scattered snow squalls, but as this thing blows by, notice how things quickly settle down. So that's the timing for tomorrow, but we won't worry about that till tomorrow, because today we'll have plenty of sunshine, partly cloudy in the afternoon, high temperature in the upper 30s. Not a bad looking Sunday, just a little bit cooler than average. So I already talked about Monday with those snow squalls staying in the upper 30s. We actually cooled to the mid 30s on Tuesday, 313 day, our area code's 313, it's 313, March 13th. Wednesday's Pi Day, 314, 3.14 is pi, the number pi. And so we'll have at least partial, if not mostly sunny skies on Wednesday. Notice still in the 30s through Wednesday, but then I'll step out of the way. Look at that, mid-40s by Thursday with lots of sunshine, lots of sun on Friday, pushing 50 degrees. Unfortunately, next weekend, we have rain chances coming in, but at least we stay mild with temps near 50 both days.